Hello, hi, I'm Crow, and I'm the driving force and the energy and the face behind Driftwood Hollow Drums. And the chances are you come to this video, you come from our Etsy shop, and then you're considering purchasing either a drum or a flute or a rattle or another shamanic healing tool, and you'd like to hear the sound. And that's great, because that's exactly what this video is all about. All of the drums are handmade, handcrafted by myself. There's no other third party involved, so I know all about them, and I'm going to show you to you now. So let's roll the credits and let's have a look. Hi, welcome back. This drum here is the one we're looking at in this video. Now all the details for this drum are on the Etsy listing, the details in the description and the more high resolution photographs etc for you to be able to scrutinize. This video is for you to listen to the sound. I'll briefly run through the drum. We've got a deerskin drum, 16-inch frame. You can see it's got a beautiful Om design on the front there. It's on an ash frame and with an ash handle as well, laced with artificial sinew. On the inside of the frame we've got I don't know if you can see there, got the date of birth the drum was birthed on. Now that's so you can look at the energies around the drum on the day that it was born, just like you would with your own star chart, astrological aspects, transitions of the planets etc. Also in there is Driftwood Hollow Drums, just my maker's mark, so you'll always know where the drum came from. The tuning of the drum. Now I tune all the drums before I come out here to play. You know, I'm outside in the gazebo. We're in October, so it's a bit cool and damp. They're all stored in the house there, where it's nice and warm and comfortable, so they're all roughly in tune. But as with all skin drums, they're susceptible to moisture and humidity. So it's a good idea to always tune the drum before you play, so they're all, from a standardized point of view from these videos, they're all in the condition that they need to be in to get the best from them. So with that in mind, on a cool humid day, the tone of this drum might be a bit lower. On a dry hot day it might be higher, so they never stay the same exactly. They're constantly in movement. Now in these videos I always use two beaters. I use a firm beater and a soft beater. Both give a slightly different sound, so you'll be able to monitor that and make a decision about whether you want one or both or none of these beaters with the drum if you decide to purchase it. So I'm going to do something with the microphone now. That's purely just to bring the levels down so the drum doesn't overpower the microphone. So here we go. There we go. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when choosing your shamanic drum. And I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.